Hello everyone. Let's have a new beginning with a new model course that is entitled as Mastering Density Functional Theory, which is implemented in Siesta. And this is under the banner of Siesta Innovations and Application Network. And this is actually a 4-week intensive training program combining theoretical foundations and hands-on computational practice. And you will master density functional theory and with the system of code through these 12 structured lectures and the 12 hands-on session. I am Dr. Mohanil Verma, a professor of physics with you as a instructor. And first of all, you must know about your instructor in detail. So I have more than 25 years of teaching, research, and academic leadership experience in material science, nanotechnology, and computational physics. And my work is integrated with density functional theory using Siesta transistor type tools and experimental studies on some energy materials. I've stabilized advanced research facilities, including that computational nanoanic research lab, and supervised more than 15 scholars and in theoretical and experimental domains. And my research interests are on that structural, electronic, optical, magnetic. Also, I have covered almost all type of properties in material modeling for different devices, and I have collaborated with uh, scientists worldwide and also published extensively in peer-reviewed journals. Some book chapters are there and secured funded projects, and I have also some patents. So I have so far about 125 papers on my head in reputed journals. So, and once I would like to mention one thing, that is I'm passionate about trying the next generation of researchers. I've created numerous tutorials, workshops, scripts, and online learning resources. And people know me for this training session. And so far I have given training to about more than 450 participants in different workshop as well as my previous courses. So this is to build your foundation in density functional theory, where I am providing the fundamentals of DFT, including that the terms these Hohenberg on theorems and many-body quantum mechanics. So what are these? We are going to learn in this course, and also this quantum equation. These are some terms people used in the DFT, and also exchange correlation function, LDA, These are some terms we are extensively understand or learn during this course. And also I promise that you will be master in Siesta, and we will begin from input to publication, and that the preparation of that input file after designing the material, then optimization of using different SCF convergence, and then we will study about that electronic structure and some advanced visualizations we will work with. And that the properties, especially that electronic structure and optical properties, I'm going to cover in this course. So some comprehensive curriculum overview on this the topics, that the foundation, definitely some theoretical part related to many-body quantum mechanics and these Hohenberg's theorems, etc. And then that computational methods, electronic properties, and visualization, as just mentioned, I am going to cover in this course. And a structured learning across for intensive week. So in first week we will learn about that foundation, that the theoretical foundation of that, and also we will learn the installation of different tools and all the preparation of that input file. So in the first this is actually 4-module course. So in the first module we are going to learn this, and then in the second week we will start that core calculation, that the optimization of that system by using different methods. So we will use some terms like basis sets and that different k points and so many other terms related to that DFT. So we will learn in diff, and this electronic structure analysis. Then we will start with band structure calculation and density of state, charge density visualization, and we will use different visualization tools. And also we will include, I'm going to include that some advanced methods and projects depending on your own interest. Not in very detail, but this is actually the fundamental level course. So I will give the mentorship in the fundamentals of this system and the related properties. So there are so many popular powerful tools in modern computational research, like that Siesta, Vesta, XCreation type tools, and then these some Python based tools, Transistor. So in this course, these two, I'm going to cover these two part, that is the Siesta, that the recent version, that is 5.4.1, I'm going to use to teach you, and then some visualization tools and other things. And so now the question is, who should enroll in this course? So definitely this is a very fundamental level course. So every beginners who want to study DFT and learn a system for their project work uh, can join this course. So that undergraduate, postgraduate student can join for their research project, PG, UG level project, and also that PhD scholars want to learn a DFT. Uh, that theoretical studies of material they can use of any stream, that physics, chemistry, materials, and biology, and also that engineering field also, and research professionals also. So they can expand their computational toolkits in the computational material physics, computational chemistry. So this is the complete training structure. So I am going to give you that 24 total sessions which to come for comprehensive coverage combining theory and practical, and then this will include that 12 theory lectures, and uh, that 12 hands-on sessions, and then the total duration will be 4 weeks. And, so then after completion of this, you will be able to design your own final project, and after completion of this, you will get one e-certificate on this. So in after each module, per week module, you have to give some uh, simple self-assessment test, and also one the, about 30 to 45 minutes discussion session will be there every day in the evening, about 6:30 to 7:30 IST, Indian Standard Time. And there we can discuss about your issues facing during this working on your system. So this is not just the training, one-way training. This is actually the learning both ways. So I will give the lectures and some recorded lectures, and hence on the session you will learn, and then you will give me the feedback on the basis of your learning. And also if you are facing some issues in programming as well as understanding anything, then you can discuss it during that discussion session. That is very interesting session, and we are having this in that session since the last 2 years, and giving training to different levels of students. So transfer your computational research skill. So on, because we are focused on this hands-on session, and this is the complete workflow. So we will start with the very beginning from the starting of Linux commands to that designing of your device using different visualization tools. So we are going to use modern tools like the recent version of Siesta, and some visualization softwares. And one thing that I should emphasize here, that all these utilities I am going to use is free of cost, and so you can design your project. And also if you want, I can provide you the mentor for your project. I can also give you some materials to study. If you have selected some materials to study, then we can work on that also. But also if you want, I can give some materials to study, and after completion one e-certificate will be given. So let's begin. So ready to begin and be the part of this amazing course, and enjoy various eureka moments. So thank you all, happy learning. So the details of this research registration process and other things that will be given in the description. So I request to be the part of this course. Thank you all.